world population. The world population. So what is population? Akin, can you define population for me? We've done it in SS1, so it's just like repetition. Okay, like he said population definition. Population is the total number of people as the total number. Living in a geographical location at a particular point in time. Okay, from my definition, population is defined as the total number of people living in geographical location at a particular point in time. Remember, there are three keywords. Number one, total number of people. Total number of people living in a geographical location. It could be another geographical location, but the one within the territory. So living in geographical location. Don't forget, at a particular point in time. These are the three keywords, because population can change. There are several factors that can lead to change in population. Number one, births. If we are 7 here in this family, maybe tomorrow we have a new baby that is joining us, the population can change to be 8. Another factor is death. So it doesn't mean that we are 8 today, we continue to be 8 tomorrow. So anything can affect the population. The next thing that can affect is migration. You can decide to relocate or travel abroad, so the population will change. That is why in our definition, you must mind these 3 words. Population is defined as the total number of people living in geographical location at a particular point in time. That is what we call population. You can see that the world population is increasing at an alarming rate, and due to several factors, like I discussed with you in SS1, factors like birth rate, death rate, which I refer to as natality, can change the population of an area. Then death rate, mortality, it can cause the population of a region to reduce. So all these factors are responsible for change in the population. So let's look at the concept of population. When we are discussing population, there are several concepts that we must look at. So these concepts, they include: 1, we have overpopulation. 2, we have underpopulation. 3, we have population density. Okay, the concepts. Okay, I said the concepts of population are: number 1, overpopulation. 2, we have underpopulation. 3, we have optimum population. 4, population density. 5, birth rates or natality. Then 6, we have death rates or mortality. So these are the concepts of population. One, overpopulation. Precious, what is overpopulation? Okay, overpopulation is a situation whereby the total number of people living in a geographical location exceed their resources. When population is greater than the available resources, we refer to as overpopulation. And this problem of overpopulation can lead to several problems in our region. Especially, let's see the problem of kidnapping that is going on around the world now, especially in Nigeria. These are due to overpopulation. Some of these people are growing, the population is growing, whereby the resources is reducing. People have to survive, so they look for alternative road. That is one problem of overpopulation. It can lead to increase in crime rates too. There will be increase in social vices like theft and other things. So if the population is growing and the resources is not growing at the same rate, it can cause problem in the region. Number two, underpopulation. When we talk about underpopulation, this is a situation whereby the resources of a country exceed their population. That is, resources is greater than the total number of people that is living within the geographical location. And this problem of underpopulation can lead to wastage of resources. Meanwhile, the resources of the region will be misused because there is no people to manage it. There will not be effective planning. That is one problem of underpopulation. Three, optimum population is a situation whereby the resources of a country or region is equivalent to the total number of people. That's it. In this optimum population, every people living in the geographical location can enjoy good standard of living. There will be no shortage of anything. So it's balanced. The equation is balanced. Total number of people is equivalent to their resources. We now look at population density. Population density mathematically is expressed. We write it like this as the total number of people in geographical location over their land area. So, and is in kilometer square. That is the unit. So, population density is the total number of people living in a geographical location over their land mass. For instance, if I have total number of people to be 2 million, and my land area is what? Let's say 1,000. So it shows that my population density will just be 2,000 people per kilometer square. So this is how to calculate population density. So is in a region, that is where we get the rate of population growth. We have to calculate the population density of the region to know how the population is growing. So the fifth one is called birth rates, which we refer to as natality rate. These are the number of people or children giving birth to in a geographical location within the period of time. While the last one, death rate or mortality, this is the number of people that died. So these are the terms or concepts of population. Any question? So in absence of more question, in our next class, I want you people to go and read ahead. We'll start with the world population distribution. Like I explained to you in SS1 that we have region of high population, region of moderate or medium population, then region of low population. There are several factors that could lead to high population in some region and low population is in another region. So these are the factors we are going to be considering. For instance, if the soil of an area is fertile That is, people will be rushing there. So they know that they can practice agriculture and feed themselves and the nation. So that is why a region that has high fertility of soil, they experience high population. Then regions that are free from war, like intertribal war, like we are experiencing in Nigeria presently in the northern states, where we have Boko Haram and stuff. People will try to leave those regions. So it can lead to moderate or sparsely population. These are the factors. So I want you to take this one home and read more about the world population distribution. Tell me the region of the world that has the highest population and what are the causes for this population growth. Then those regions that are sparsely populated, what are the regions? So see you next time.